Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today in my video we are going to talk about Google Translate. So Google Translate is a free online service which has been provided by Google, and it helps you to translate one language to another. You can use this Google Translate to translate so many languages. You can use it also to translate, let's say if you have series of text, you can translate pictures and documents. So how do you go about it? So when you open Google, you simply come to Google Translate, then you click on Google Translate. When you click on it, it will open a template for you where you can upload documents which you want to translate, images which you want to translate, or maybe even text. So for example, let's say I want to translate an English word of "what is your name?" into, let's say, Spanish. So I click here English, then I type the word English which I want to translate, like the way I've done. Then I come this side and then I look for the word which I want to translate. Let's say I want to translate this into Acholi. So I click Acholi. So you can see from here, "what is your name" has been translated into New Anga. So this is how you go about translating different languages. So let's say maybe I want to translate this to French. So I just come and then choose where French is. So I'm looking for French. So I change this to French. Or maybe we try another. Let's say I want to change this to Latin. So this is your name in Latin word. Sometimes you may have a document which you want to translate, maybe in a different language. So you come to document, then you click. So the moment you have clicked it, then you browse. You browse through your files, and then as you can see from here, you browse through your different files, then you will be in position to choose what to. So as you browse, you choose a file. Say I choose this, then you upload it. Then this Google Translate will be in position to translate for you this file, and afterwards you download. And when you download, you can actually be in position to read it in the language you understand. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. In my next video, more are still coming. Thank you.